So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernales of PH Property by DMCI Home. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now we're here at the Aston Place. So Aston Place is located in Pasay City, which is in Dominga Street. So guys, ang Dominga Street po ay malapit po siya sa St. Scholastica, CSB, and LaSalle. So primarily malapit siya sa Taft Avenue. And malapit din siya sa Vito Cruz Station na LRT. And also guys, as you can see here, so this is the straight of Dominga Street. So this straight is going to Vito Cruz. So nandyan yung St. Sco, CSB, and LaSalle. And on this side, this is going to Buendia Station. So yung Buendia Avenue. And guys, kapag kasi ang Buendia, makikita naman natin doon, going siya to Pasay and going siya to Makati. So it is easily accessible going to that kind of CBDs. So tara guys, pasok tayo ngayon sa Aston Place and papakita ko sa inyo yung mga amenities na meron tayo. So ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa isang drop-off area ni Aston Place. So makikita naman natin dito yung lobby lounge area niya. It has so spacious lobby lounge. So this building guys is an L-type shaped building. So this is the receiving area. So dito tayo magpapa-register if we have guests. And also guys, nandun ang ating amenities for the pool, leisure pool, kiddie pool, and lap pool. And guys, yung elevator natin pala nandito. So on each side, meron tayong 6 elevators. So total all in all of 12 elevator cabs. And dito guys nga pala, ayan. We have gazebos. We have a resort type chairs, amenities. Ayan, meron tayo yan. May shower area. So hindi na natin kailangan umakyat pa ng unit kasi may mga shower area na siya dito. And to think guys na kahit sabihin natin na ganito kalaki lang ang place niya, which is still mahangin. And on this side guys, yan, makikita nyo dyan, we have 6 podium parkings. So right now, ang meron pa lang tayo is, doon lang pa kami nag-park sa podium 2, level 2. So that is the facade of the Aston Place. And guys, I'm excited to showcase to you the roof deck. Actually kasi we have the 360-degree view of the city, Pasay, Manila, and Makati. So tara guys. So hello guys, we're here at the roof deck. Yan, makikita natin dito ang 360-degree view of the cities like Manila, Pasay, and Makati. So papakita ko muna sa inyo yung Makati side. So since Makati and Pasay are adjoined, so makikita naman natin dito na napakalapit niya. And we have the area of Laguna, makikita natin doon yung Laguna Bay. And also guys, yung proximity ng airport, sobrang lapit. Ayan, kitang-kita dito yung mga airplanes. And yung pinaka-runway ng NAIA Terminal. And on this side guys, yan, ito yung Makati skyline natin, which is ilang kilometers away lang, 2 kilometers approximately. Yan, nasa Makati Buendia na tayo. And on this side guys, this is the Manila area. So yan yung mga Manila skyline natin. Yung Binondo, makikita natin dyan, yung mga buildings sila. And also guys, makikita natin dito yung skyway. Ayan. So yan yung connecting ng south to north. And makikita natin yung Antipolo mountain views natin na meron dyan. So tara. Ito naman ang isa sa mga fascinating views na meron tayo dito kay Aston Place. Kasi makikita natin yung Manila Bay area, ayan. Ang daming mga ships na naka-berth dyan, so meaning naka-park. And nandun yung MOA area, yung Pasay. Also guys, alam mo nyo naman nauuso yung glass ano, di ba? Yung glass bridge. Actually dito kay Aston Place meron tayong semi-glass bridge. Ayan. So yeah, makikita naman natin dito ang view. Ang ganda oh. So tatapak nga tayo dito, so hindi naman ako nalaglag. So meaning, matibay siya. And also guys, here, this is one of my favorite views here. So makikita natin yung Manila Bay. And we get to see the unobstructed sunset view ng araw. Diyan kami kay Manila Bay. And also there's the Cavite area. So as you can see guys, this is a perfect place. Lalong-lalo na kung meron kayong mga anak na nag-aaral sa schools ng College of St. Benilde, De La Salle University, St. Scholastica's College. So, ang lapit lang niya. So makikita natin dito yung School of Arts and Designs ni CSB. And makikita natin dyan yung St. Scholastica, which is a walking distance from here. And we have the Camden Place pala dyan guys. Yung green na curtain na nakikita natin dyan. So ito guys, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung isang floor plan na meron tayo dito, which is nasa atrium level, nasa 43rd floor. Pupunta tayo dun. So tara guys. So before we go to the 43rd floor, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung gym na meron tayo. So this is the fitness gym. So once we enter, yan, makikita natin dito yung mga gamit na meron. So we have the treadmill, the bicycle, we have the lat pull down, the cables, and the shoulder press, and we have dumbbells. So ito guys, makikita natin dito sa treadmill. So if you're having your exercise here, yan, makikita natin yung view ng Mount Makiling and the International Airport. So perfect yung view niya. So actually guys, it is almost complete, lalo na meron siyang mga bathroom area. May shower area na rin ata dito. Yan, makikita naman natin dito. So tara guys, pupunta naman tayo sa isang typical floor na meron tayo dito. So guys, we're here right now at the 43rd floor of the atrium level in Aston Place. So makikita natin dito yung natural light and yung natural air niya na pumapasok dito. Ayan, which is we can see the glass na nastas, and don't worry guys, it's sobrang durable niyan. And nakita nyo naman kanina, trinay kong itam. Hindi naman siya nabasag. And on this side guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung isang side ng sky patio ni Aston Place, which is facing the Manila Bay. So ngayon, ayan, sobrang laki nung niya, ng sky patio niya. And makikita natin na we have 1, 2, and 3 floors na nasasakupan ng sky patio. So yung mga floors na yan, matatamaan sila ng mga ilaw. Although kahit yung may mga closed floor tayo, which is magiging maliwanag pa rin siya guys. And guys, ito pala yung Laverty na makikita natin sa harap. That is one of the projects of DMCI Homes along Taft Avenue. Yan, makikita naman natin dyan yung may mga butas-butas na yan. That is the Lumivent technology design of DMCI Homes. So ito nga guys, marami pa tayong 2-bedroom dito na natitira, and we still have a promotions that is still going on. So if you're free or interested sa pag-Zoom meeting natin, lalo na kung nasa out of the country kayo, I could set a schedule for you guys. And ngayon guys, babalik tayo sa ground floor para at least may discuss ko sa inyo yung mga iba pang detalye. So we're here guys now at the ground floor again. So nandito yung library area niya. So this is one comfortable chair na inuupuan ko ngayon. And also guys, itong si Aston Place, it has a square meter area of 5,900. So approximate yung area niya. And it has 46 stories building. So we have 35 residential building and 6 podium parkings. So napakaluwag pa rin ng space na meron tayo dito kay Aston Place. And na-maximize niya kasi dahil naka L-type shape na building siya. So nakita niyo naman kanina sa sa video na to na kung gaano kaluwag yung area niya and yung mismong lugar, yung building niya. And also guys, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. So it's Mike PH Property. And ililista ko rin dito, ipopromote ko rin dito ang aking Facebook page and ang aking Instagram page. So it's Mike Bernales, DMCI Homes. So yan, makikita nyo yan dyan. And guys, if you have any questions, details, please do comment here. And please do call me at my number. So maraming salamat guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And ingat kayo palagi and have a great day ahead and God bless.